Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. Let me show you a cool trick that can be used in the Newsomatic plugin, but also in many other plugins that I created. So this trick will allow you to not copy featured images locally to your WordPress blog, but instead using them remotely. So let me show you an example. In Newsomatic plugin, let's go and create some articles really fast. Let's say 5 articles, and let's run importing, and let's see the result on our blog. So we should have some blog posts with some images, and importing finished. And let's refresh the blog, and here are the blog posts with images. So if we go ahead and inspect element, we will see that all images are copied locally on our blog now and are taking up our hosting space. And if we have a shared hosting with some limited hosting space, this can be inconvenient. And now let me show you guys how to fix this. So we should go to plugins main settings and search for do not copy featured images locally. So if we check this checkbox and save settings, we can go ahead and re-import posts. If we go and delete all posts, because old posts already have the images copied locally, so we should delete all posts. Refresh and run importing again, but with remote featured images now. As you saw, importing took way less time to finish because images were not copied locally to our host, to our hosting space. And if we refresh the page, the same images are present. But if we inspect element, we will see that images are remotely displayed. So let's inspect this also. This is at CNN. Let's inspect this also. This is 9 to 5 Mac and cnbcfm.com. Okay, so this is how you will be able to use remote featured images. However, please note that this is a unofficial feature of the plugin because this is not officially supported by WordPress. I only implemented this as a workaround for this WordPress limitation that does not allow you to use remote featured images for posts, only local featured images. However, I managed to work around this issue, and if you check this checkbox, then the plugin will import only remote featured images. However, please note that once you imported posts with remote featured images, you should keep the plugin activated and also this checkbox checked, because if you uncheck this checkbox, let's see what happens to our posts. They will break, so this will be shown instead of the featured images. However, if we go ahead and reactivate this checkbox, our featured images will be back. So keep in mind that the plugin should be kept active and this checkbox should be kept checked once you are using this remote featured image feature of the plugin. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar news updates and heads up about new plugins. So until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.